Let's install the dMix driver to the Mac. So the first thing to do is to go to the Violet Audio website, click on Products, dMix 128, and we have here as well as support, downloads. In downloads, we have drivers. So click on the driver, and that will allow downloaded to install the driver. So when you install the driver, it will create another section called dMix settings. The next thing to do now is on your mixer, once you install the driver, click on the settings and on remote. In remote, you'll find there'll be an AS67 driver now, as long as your computer is connected to the LAN port and to DNet port A, and you can add that as a driver. Select it, click config, select the sample rate. We're running at 96. Select how many channels you want. We can do up to 64 channels right now. So let's put 64 in there. So after we add the AS67 driver for the Mac, we can wait a couple of seconds. Then if we run the dMix settings page, you will see that the synchronization is synchronized, and now the status is active of the 4 streams, 5, 6, 7, 8, depending on how many channels. So each of those streams, those 8 streams, carry 8 audio channels. That's why in your audio MIDI settings, you basically says 8 channels there, but that's per stream for inputs and outputs, and that adds up to your 64 channels. Again, you can use that to play back normal audio if you wanted to directly, or as a driver to your DAW, and also to insert. Next thing you can do is you can go to your routing page, and when you're routing inputs, you can select the computer and start connecting inputs directly from the computer if you want to do a sound check, for example, virtual sound check. That can be saved in outputs. Same if you want to direct outputs, you go to direct out and you set that up to send the channels to the net. So you can send channels, 128 channels as direct out. The outputs can also go directly to the computer if you want them to. And then inserts can be from any connected device. For up to 4 of the mixers and a couple of computers can be connected. And the insert return, down the bottom you will have your insert return channels that you can scroll to any number you want, and obviously you would select which network number from the 64 network channels you wanted to connect.